Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube here. I'm working today on, I think this is a 30 by 25 canvas if I'm correct, and I'm going to do just something that gives me joy, and if you love it too then all the better. So I am using up a bit of my paint that I have left in there, trying to use all my leftovers and not make up paints now till in the new year because we're so busy here at our place with visitors. So just trying to use up all the paints that I've got pre-mixed. This was a very runny piece, so I just wanted to kind of run it all over the canvas, and then probably easier to spread it out at this point, I would think. So that was the offset spatula, nice and easy to spread your paint. Now I'm going to whiz over with my heat wand, and it'll just burst any air bubbles in there and help the paint absorb into the canvas. So what I'm using here for my swipe colour is just Amsterdam acrylic, and I mixed it with Floetrol only, Australian Floetrol, to give me some lovely cells. So that's going to form my background, and it does absolutely jump off the canvas with the lovely cells in the background. It's always a nice feature to do the backgrounds like this, and as you see, the cells that are popping up are like really weird and wonderful, getting lots of kind of wormy things happening in there, so it's really a nice background to work with. Wow, just look at those cells. They really have popped up out of the canvas and give me a really nice feature for my background. And now it's time to add my colour to this to really make this piece pop.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper.
With your hand on your heart, please tell me
I had those nice bright colours there and thought that it would maybe work just blowing the colours out, but I wasn't too happy with that. So of course you've got to think outside the box and go to plan B. I just didn't like the effects of the blowing out. So it's back to my deflated balloon kissing, and I will continue to do that, and it'll really make the features of a floral design in that band there. Definitely I can improve it heaps with this, so keep trying with it. If it's something that you had in your head and it doesn't work out, just like in life, I guess, just keep trying it and keep trying a different way until things work out how you're happy with them. So there you go. I'm going to get a bigger balloon at this point, so I'm bringing out the big guns here. Wasn't happy with that smaller balloon. I think I need to kind of smush them further, do a nice big balloon kiss. So just bought myself a new packet of balloons. You just get them from your discount store, anywhere. They're just ordinary everyday balloons. Look what a difference that balloon made. It really gives some lovely details in that band, and just little squiggles here and there with a little skewer. You don't have to do that. Like I say, it's your art, your rules, your way. Do it how you feel your artistic prowess takes you, I guess. But I'm super happy with this one. It made me happy. I really enjoyed doing it. And it was a very, very rainy, stormy day that we're having here, so it was a nice little distraction. I will bring you down and you can have a little look-see. Wow, look at that. Unbelievable reaction. I was trying to get rid of that white because it was very thin and it had a really weird odour about it. So not sure what I added different to it. The black swipe was Amsterdam paint with Floetrol only, but boy oh boy did it react in a wondrous way to create some really awesome effects in there. It's quite crazy. Look at the little worms I've got in there, grubs. And then the flowers, they did kind of I wanted them to be more vibrant, but my husband passed through and said no, because it's got the black swipe background, it looks good. So, oh, you know, the husband's always right. So there you go. So that was a nice easy little holiday piece for you to try and create, I guess, with your family and friends. Be a nice little pastime. You don't have to have any real art skills, you just have to get the paint consistencies correct. If you're looking for the paint consistencies, how to make fluid art out of your acrylic, fluid paint out of your acrylic, the information is in the drop down box underneath this video. In description it'll have links there to products, also links to videos on beginners techniques and all sorts there. Hope you enjoyed that one. Please, please, please take care over this holiday season, and if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please, please, please ring a family member, friend or a helpline. Until next time, bye for now.